guys, and welcome. Here is another video I decided to share with you. It's about the car battery charger. It's pretty simple. On this side they give you two alligator clips, negative and positive, and on this side just a wall plug. It's basically pretty simple plug and go. And I give you a couple options here. Here is a selection mode button, and your options are down here on the bottom. The vehicle mode, and then a couple other options. The most important part is the repair mode. If your battery won't take charge, you probably would select the repair mode first, then go on the vehicle mode. So I'm not advertising anything here, I'm just trying to share with you guys my own experience with it. So if you would like to subscribe to see more of my videos, hit that button down below, and also you can comment. I will replay back if I actually know the answer to it. So let's take them over to the car and show you how this charge. Alright guys, I'm on the back on the trunk side of the Maserati. I will show you where to plug this charger up on the charge. So first you gotta lift that up open, and then the battery is right here. So move that cover open. Then set the charger right there. Then you have this cover. It needs to be removed also. This side is positive. As you see down there, it has a big plus. That's positive, so they would get the red clamp on there. So this one you can connect. I usually connect it right there. Then negative, I just go back another side, connect on that one. Now we know that's a direct contact. Now we'll plug into the power. So we just plugged it into power. Now you can see start charging from 20%. I believe it will take about 5 to 6 hours for full charge if it's down to 20% on there. So you can really hear the fan going. So as of right now, we'll just leave it trunk open, and leave it, if it's in the garage, you leave the door rolled up just a little bit. It's not good to be enclosed area when there's any battery charging, so it needs some air to escape out. So roughly about 5 hours after, I came back to check on it, and this is how far did it get with the charge. It's about 80%. So that's it with this video guys. Thanks for watching again. And if you do like to see more of my videos, please smash that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on the next one.